Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unarchive someone on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device, then tap on three lines icon, then tap on archive. Next, find the ID which you want to unarchive, then long press on it by tapping on it. After that, you can see the option of unarchive. Tap on it. So, this is how you can unarchive someone on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.